Hi, this is an assembly video for our Deluxe Walnut Keystep Stand. In the box you'll receive two side pieces or cheeks. This is a back piece, and then three shelves. One of the shelves is plain. Two of the shelves will have walnut lips on the front. These are to hold the keystep and your various effects or synth modules in place. And a bunch of screws. I like to start with the bottom piece. You'll see where the pre-drilled holes are. The shorter space is going to go towards the back of the unit. So this hole will line up right here along the bottom. I like to get all my screws started by hand. It's easier to feel it out where the pre-drilled holes are that way. So get it started a little bit, line it up, and then I like to mostly tighten but not fully tighten everything until the end. It makes everything easier to get together. Do the same over here. I recommend using a hand screwdriver rather than a drill. A drill at too high of a power can damage the wood if you over tighten the screws. So once that bottom piece is in place, it makes it easier to put in the other shelves. You can kind of see here there's a ridge that has been routed out. It makes putting the shelves in easier. One shelf will be plain on the front corner. This is the one that's going in the bottom front right here. And this one that is notched, if you can see that, the shelf that has a notch, will go in the top. It's notched out so it slides in, just like that, nice and easy. And then we will find the holes to line it up. Go, get it most of the way in. Then this one with no notch in the corner is going to slide right into the front. Have to, give it a little wiggle, then line everything up. Not going to put in all of the screws on this video just for time's sake, but you will get the point. Our back piece. This will come with black screws. That is upside down. Wonderful. Then screw that in. Go ahead and do the opposite corner. Just find that hole right there. Found you. Well, I thought of it. Nice. All right, we're obviously going to repeat all of the screws on this side. That is just a bit reassembled. Lovely.